Good morning, everybody. Today is December 6th, and we have our next item from Jenny's Countdown to Christmas to unbox for all of you. Today is day 6 of the Countdown to Christmas. This is the Missouri Star Quilt Company version of an advent calendar. They put it out for pre-order in April, and they ship the boxes sometime late October, early November. And then what we're going to do here on this channel is unbox December 1st through December 25th, all 25 boxes of this Countdown to Christmas. And today is day number 6, so box number 6. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, today is number 6. Let's go ahead and see what's inside here. This is exciting. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, it's taped together. It's like a real package. How cute. Okay. What is this? Is this a clapper? I really don't know. Does anybody know if this is a clapper? Oh, maybe a roller holder? Do you guys see the grooves here? I wish there was instructions because I honestly have no idea. Sorry, I totally just like threw that box to the side. It's so weird. Maybe it's like a multi-tool? So it comes with these little dowels that you put in here. So there's a groove here. It's small. Maybe this would be for thread. And then this, maybe a couple pins. I don't know, you couldn't really fit very much in there. And then the rollers go here possibly. And then there is a roller here. All right, on both sides. They're both in inches. I'm surprised one's not metric. And then just these quilt blocks here. All right, I'm really curious to see what this is. I'm actually gonna check out Jenny's unboxing. This will be the first unboxing that I've watched from Jenny, but only because I really have no idea what this is. This is like an inch deep. If you guys know what this is or what you would use it for, let me know down below. All right, so there are a couple more things I want to share with you all. I am doing these unbaggings and unboxings in real time, which means that I am not previewing any of these items. There definitely are some little things that I'm missing here and there that viewers are telling me about, but I just really wanted this to be real and authentic. This is, like I said, real time. This is my real reaction, but let me go ahead and show you some of the things that have come up that are new. So day 3, we got those beautiful measuring bowls, and Jenny did actually have a Jenny's gingerbread recipe kind of tucked away behind the one sleeve of cardboard, so it was really difficult to see, but there's her recipe if you guys want to copy that. I don't think there's anything prohibiting me from sharing that with you guys. Another viewer actually pointed this out to me as well. So here is the quilt from day 4, and on the quilt or wall hanging you can see these quilt clips here. So those are the same ones that we actually got yesterday in day 5. So it's almost like there's like little Easter eggs kind of planting these kind of previews of what's next. So I thought that was really interesting, and I wanted to go ahead and share that with you all. Hopefully you've enjoyed that. So today's question of the day, my daughter came up with this one. What is your dream vacation? So me personally, I've been to several countries. I've been to England, Israel, and Italy. And then obviously I live in Pennsylvania. And I don't know. So my dream vacation would probably be Italy, to go back to Italy. I stayed in Rimini on the Adriatic coast. It was absolutely beautiful. I was like 17. I stayed there for almost a whole month with my friends in a little apartment, which is like a big deal because I was, you know, it was the summer before senior year. So that's a pretty big deal to just go by yourself to another country and stay with some other teenagers. But I did that, and it was a lot of fun, and it was so beautiful, and I loved walking everywhere on the cobblestone streets, and like, you know, the little gelaterias and just like all the little different things, going to shop for food, and I don't know, and little bookstores. It was just so picturesque. Going to the beach, obviously it's Rimini, it's on the Adriatic coast. So anyway, that would be my dream vacation, would be to go back to Italy and maybe go see Sardinia, because I never got to see that when I was there. And I would definitely take my whole family. So let me know down below what your dream vacation is. I'd love to know. Bye everybody, I'll see you tomorrow.
Mine's Paris.
Hers is Paris. Bye everyone, I'll see you tomorrow for day number 7.